what the pay like. Call me Buffy cause that's what I slay like. These bitches, I send them like it's daylight. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So by the title of the video, y'all know what today is. It's vacation day. If you haven't watched the previous video I posted, it's me getting ready, packing, everything I need for this vacation. But basically, it's 11:43 right now and the plane ride is at 3:30. So I still got a lot of time, but I just got out the shower, put my clothes on, got everything together. Y'all, this is my outfit. Pink top, pretty little thing, Yeezys, and yeah. If y'all watched the other video, y'all saw me planning this whole outfit out and everything. But I got everything together. Got my suitcase. I still got to put a little more stuff in my carry-on. Also guys, I got my bag, my camera bag, everything situated. Really excited for the trip. The plane ride not too long, which I like. So make sure y'all go watch the other video, me packing, preparing, everything that I did. I'm going to Canada for a week and 2 days, and I don't really know if I like my outfit or not, but we just gonna stick to it because we don't got time to keep switching clothes and stuff. So this will do for now. I just feel like it's the shoes or something, but that's fine. Next, are you gonna miss me? Sammy, are you gonna miss me? We're gonna leave the house around 1 o'clock to get there a little early and everything. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna see you guys when we on the way to the airport and everything.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Y'all, so we're checking in right now. Nobody here for real. Say hi. You just say hi, like you make it awkward.
Alright.
Say hi. Say hi to the gang. Hi to the squad. My gang. Look at my mom, y'all. She don't know what to do. Wanna say hi? Hello. Alright, y'all. So we just checked in. Now I'm on the escalators. Going up. We just weighed our bags and everything. We had to pay for the bags, y'all. My mom talked about it was free. Since we're flying international, it's actually like paying $30 each for each bag.
Like damn, she her move. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she her move.
Now y'all, we about to go to security screening and get screened and everything. Alright y'all, so we just got finished checking in. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anything to eat because I already ate. I had a Wawa hoagie, so I'm not really hungry. Look, he irritated. Y'all, so we're just waiting until 3:30. What time is it? Can you check the time? Look, he ripped the bag. It's 3:10 right now. The flight gonna go in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna see y'all when we are boarding the flight. We're on the plane now. We boarding. The plane, it got delayed to 4:20. So we was just waiting. It's really hot. We gotta find our seats and everything. Oh shit. It's so small.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't.
Alright y'all, so we got our seats right now. And it's kinda, I'm on my break. It's kinda switched. But I'm choosing which thing I wanna watch. I don't got no headphones, so I'm gonna just be watching it. But it's kinda hard to do. I don't know which one I want. Ooh, they got Dungeons and Dragons. Okay. At the screen. It is, what time is it? It's 4:15. This was a banner. Oh, Missing. I want to watch that. I want to watch Missing. I can stare at the screen. Yeah, captions or whatever. I don't got headphones, but it's fine. But I'm going to just be watching Missing. And I got my phone plugged up so I could charge it and stuff. And yeah, it's a little squished, a little bit, not really. But I got my bag right here because it's a full plane ride. Got the window seat. Look outside. It's very bright, so I got it down.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's
So hot. Yo, look at this plane next to us. It's so freaking hot on this plane. The air conditioning not working. It's so. And I'm not even trying to complain, but it's like really hot. And I'm so thirsty. I think I might grab me some water drink.
Beer, wine, and spirits can be purchased using your.
It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential rolling, RM, way. Whenever I find time, it's okay.
We're about to get off. I'm getting off the airplane. I'm saying we are getting off the plane.
Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you
Now we about to go get our bags and stuff. So yeah.
love it. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you.
Y'all, we walking right now to go get our luggage. I just got done using the bathroom. I'm all the way down there. Just trying to go get our luggage. Huh? Okay, it's the first time I've ever been on one of these, so we're gonna be on them. But yeah, the airplane, like, yeah, when it turns, it makes me feel so nauseous. Like, I just don't know. Like,
And then like when they go up and down, you can feel the breath.
yeah, you can feel it in my ears, like popping a little bit.
My ears are popping.
It wasn't popping, but it's like, it felt like I couldn't hear. But yeah, my aunt is about to come pick us up. She's about to come pick us up. We finally arrived to Canada. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all when we get in our luggage and stuff, because we still gotta get all that. So, see y'all. Y'all, now we just looking for our baggages. Like, we just waiting for it to come. I ain't see mine yet. My mom didn't see hers. He didn't see hers. So we just waiting until it's spin, and it's taking a long time. Is it mine? Alright, y'all, so I got my luggage. It took a long time to find because we was in the wrong side, so I didn't know where it was. But we got it, y'all. We got it. Luggage in the back and everything. Alright, guys, so y'all saw me in the car, but now we at the supermarket because we're going food shopping. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
She got a coffee.
Iced coffee.
You wanna say hi to my YouTube? But we're only going food shopping for little things that we want because we're staying at my aunt's house for a few days, and she wanted to get us some stuff that we wanted. So we at the supermarket and we about to shop. So I'm gonna see you guys while I'm in there. What is it that you want? What I want. I don't know what I want to get for me to snack on and stuff. I I wanted like strawberries, salad.
Next. The next morning.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I forgot to vlog when I came to my house and everything, but everything is situated, everything is good. It was an amazing flight. It was just a lot of turbulence and like going up and down, like it just made my head hurt. But I really hope you guys enjoy this travel with me vlog. And I've been recording on my phone all the time because it was like easier access, easier, just faster recording. So I hope the camera footage is good. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below if you want more vlogs like that, vlogs like this. So bye guys, see you in the next.